Hello, today we're going to look at the personalized product listings feature. We're going to find out what exactly is it, how to set it up, and we're going to show you a few tips on how to use it. Simply put, the personalized product listings app is a simple way to market your products on WhatsApp. So let's dive right in and see how to set it up on your store. So the first thing you got to do is log into your store. Head over to marketing, scroll down and click personalized product listings, right? Okay, so you'll see on this page there are two green buttons, right? Rather obvious. The first one says save WhatsApp contact number, so obviously you got to put in your contact number, because I think if you watch the video earlier, there's a section where you can send a message, you see, right? So when the customer receives this message, he can choose to inquire, maybe clarify certain things by sending a message to you via WhatsApp. So you got to key in your contact number here, right? So the next thing is to create a catalog for the WhatsApp link. All right, so let's dive in and see how to create one. So you see that we already have one already created here. Okay, you can delete it, you can edit it. Look at the icons here. This is the edit icon. Just going to click on it, see what it looks like. Yeah, so you can remove or add more products to the list, right? Okay, all right, so I'm just going to click this, or I can just hit the back button if I wish, right? And of course, if you want to delete it, you can. So basically, you want to create a catalog that doesn't include all your products in your store. That's ridiculous, right? Imagine you've got 500 products and you're sending somebody a link that when they click will display 500 products. Okay, you want to be very targeted. Let's say you're selling food and the group you're targeting are interested in, like, say they always buy chocolates, right? So if you have new flavors of chocolates coming in, so you target this group with or this group of chocolate lovers with the new chocolate product flavors on your store. So let's go and create a list or a catalog right now. I'm going to click this add personalized page. Okay, right? So in this case, I'm going to pretend that I'm targeting a group of people who are interested in the latest fashion accessories, right? So I'm going to include this in, okay, these few products here. Maybe this pair of earrings also. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here, scroll down, and we'll click add selected products. Okay, so I think that's about 5 products. Okay, you can see here 5 products. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to copy this link, right? And then I'm going to go to my WhatsApp account. All right, I say I have WhatsApp web on my desktop. That'd be very easy. So I'm going to select the customer, but before that, I'm going to write a short message, because I don't want to just send the link blindly to my customers, right? So I'm going to write a short message here, introduce them and tell them what this link is about, and put the link at the bottom right here. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste it here, right? And I'm going to send it over. Okay, so it could be a WhatsApp group. I'm only going to send to one person here, but it could be a WhatsApp group of because of your customers, all right, which is targeted. Okay, so you don't sell to all your customers, because nobody likes receiving messages which doesn't concern them, or which does not interest them. Okay, so I'm going to click this send button. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how it looks like on the customer's end, right? So here we can see that my customer has received my message. This is the one I came up with earlier, right? And here's the link. Okay, and let's see what's next. Okay, so she clicks the link. Okay, and as you can see, I remember this section of the message, which I said if the customer wants to, they can contact you by simply filling out this simple form and clicking send message. So this is useful. Let's say they have an inquiry, right? And so if they're satisfied with your answer, that will help them in their decision-making process on whether to buy or not, right? So if they got a quick question and you can answer them immediately, they'll probably seal the deal. Okay, so this is very useful. All right, as you can see, the items are displayed professionally. Unlike, you know, if you just copy an image and then or link and just paste it in WhatsApp, right? So it's displayed in an orderly fashion. Okay, all right. So after browsing through, maybe the customer has decided on something, so the customer will add a product to cart. But before that, I want to show you something. Okay, let's say if you have options. Let's say you have different frame colors. Okay, let me just make a little segue to this. Okay, so yeah, so you will see that this product has options. Okay, and if there are options, it will be displayed like this. The options will be displayed like this. You just add the options they want to cart, and then click add items to cart. Okay, and then you can go and check out. Okay, so let's get back to the video here. Right, so in this case, there are no options, so there's only one. All right, one item to add to cart. All right, so there you go, added to cart. Okay, so now maybe checkout. It's time to check out. So the customer will have to fill in a form, right? Fill in a form and proceed to make payment. All right, so hit checkout and make payment.